Again, now we will have a speech from
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to everyone. How are you all doing?
How are you all doing today?
How are you all doing today? That's really
Wonderful.
that's really wonderful. I would like
I would like to
thank Ali English House Academy
for,
for
for giving me an opportunity to
develop my
personality.
personality.
Okay, you can see there and read once. Turn back. Yes, read once.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English School Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality.
Okay, now we can try to say it again.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you doing today?
You are doing fine.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me opportunity and develop my personality.
Very good. Let's give a big round of applause. See, when you are sitting there, you can say it easily. Okay, but when you are coming and standing here, that is totally different. You will have butterflies in your stomach. So it is common. Okay, let us encourage more. So who is the next person? We can have two more people coming and speaking here. We have less time. Only two people. Okay. Yes, you can come. Let's give a big round of applause. Yes. What's your name? Aisha Siddiqa. MashaAllah. Okay, where do you stand? Which standard? From 6th standard. Very good. Okay? Yes. How do you hold the mic? Little more closer. Yes. Hold it tight. Be confident. Give a smile to the audience. Take a deep breath. Okay. Start.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to dear my sisters.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Very good afternoon. Say.
How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality.
Okay. Now can you try to say without saying, or you repeat after me once. Assalamu alaikum.